What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula for lithium chloride and how to find out the molar mass or molecular weight of lithium chloride. So lithium belongs to group 1, so that's Li, and it's Li plus, the charge is positive 1, and chlorine is Cl, it's negative 1 because it belongs to halogen groups, so that makes it LiCl because both of them are 1. Now I want to find out the molar mass. We have only two elements, we have Li and we have Cl, so I need to find out the atomic mass of each element using the periodic table. Lithium is 6.94 and chlorine is 35.45. Then I need to add these two. It's going to be 6.94 plus 35.45. That makes it 42.39 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of lithium chloride. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel.